We thought it would just be a weekend trip, but we loaded up the car 1 month ago. And here we are, 2,000 miles in, still looking for the best place to pull off an adventure. We thought we'd take the easy trails, and usually we were way off. But this time, we were right on. It's like time stopped entirely, giving us a chance to enjoy the journey. Life is fickle, but I'm convinced it will give you everything if you let it. The spontaneous, the heart-stopping, the jaw-dropping, but most importantly, the ones that make you smile. A car, some friends, and a couple of kayaks. Who'd have thought a simple road trip could create so much magic? It's like my favorite quote says, life was meant for good friends and great adventures. We're out here creating stories worth sharing.